Hey guys, what is up? It is me, Bolt, on another video. Today, yes, I know I haven't made a video in a while. Now, if you are eagle eyes, if you have an eagle eye, you may notice I've changed my my recording studio. Yes, this is my room. We did a complete transformation. We have a desk, and that's all cool because it's pretty nice. I got this pretty cool swivel chair. I can roll back, roll forward, roll this way, roll that way. It's pretty cool. My bed's right over here. I don't know if you can see it. Might not. But today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be seeing what Bitcoin is like in different languages. If you don't know what Bitcoin is cryptocurrency, and cryptocurrency is basically online money. And now Bitcoin's pretty solid because it's about like what, 10,000 bucks a Bitcoin. Now that's insane. So yeah, we're gonna be starting that, and I really like Bitcoin. It interests me because not only is it money, and I like money, and hey, who doesn't want free Bitcoin, right? I mean, who doesn't? But it also has a big fat B in it for Boltlightning 780. So let's do it. Bitcoin. So we're gonna start off with the easiest, and that is Bitcoin in English. So I probably already said it 1,000 times today in this video already, but let's do that.
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin. Alright, that doesn't take too much accent or anything. Okay. Oh, I should probably switch. Now let's try German.
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin. Okay, a little emphasis on the I.
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin. Alright, now listen, this is a disclaimer. I'm not trying to make fun of any of these languages. I'm doing my best. I'm not a language learning master. I know very basic words, in other languages. I know a tad German, some Spanish, and that's in most of English. I'm sure there's some words in English that I don't know. Oh, and then there's, of course, British, which is English, just with that accent. So I don't think we need to, it's... But anyway, I'm not trying to make fun. I'm truly sorry if I butcher any of these, any of these languages. Okay, now, that wasn't too bad, but Japanese, yeah, by the way, I'm seeing, like, looks like a T smiley face, a stick, a backwards elongated bracket, a slanted T. Alright, listen, like I said, I'm not making fun of these things, I'm just, trying my best, and I mean, I find it pretty cool that people know what this stuff means, I wish I could know all this stuff, but I do not. Oh, and it looks like we have a little bit of help down here, so let's...
Bitcoin. Bitcoin.
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin. Alright, best. Now let's switch over to, I'm just gonna not go in any particular order. Chinese simplified, because, oh, okay.
比特币
Bit cookie.
比特币
Bit cookie. Listen, it sounds like it's saying bit cookie, but, I don't think that's what it's meant to say. But yeah, sounds like bit cookie. Which, I could use a cookie right now. But, alright, moving on to, let's see, what else? Whatever this one is. Alright, oh, up. No audio output. So I'm not even going to attempt that. Bitcoin. I'm trying to go based off that, but I don't think that's gonna work. Let's try Hawaiian, because that's no output. No audio output. Oh. I didn't mean to share that. Russian.
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin. Alright, cool. Oh, let me just move my... Alright. Let's try... Let's try, Spanish. Spanish.
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin. Alright, now let's try Italian.
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin. Okay. Let's see. Javanese. Let's try that.
Bitcoin.
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 Bitcoin. Let's try Icelandic. That sounds cool.
Bitcoin.
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 Sounds kind of robotic there, but you know, Bitcoin. Alright,
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin. Sounds similar to the previous one. Let's try Hebrew. No audio output. Alright, so we're not even gonna try that because Danish.
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin. Okay. What next? Indonesian. Try that one.
Bitcoin.
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 Bitcoin. Try this one. No output. Try the one before that. Also, no. Dutch.
Bitcoin.
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 Kinda sounds, yeah. Okay. French. Let's do that.
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin. I honestly don't know what I've done or did not do. Let's do this one. Nope. I'm just going to Korean.
비트코인,
Bitcoin.
비트코인,
Bitcoin. I'm literally trying my best, but you know. Let's go for the traditional Chinese one.
比特币。
Bead cookie.
比特币。
Bead cookie. Try this one. Oh. Now, listen, I apologize if I'm trying to do ones I've already done, you know. I'm not going in any particular order, I'm just clicking on random ones and
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin. And seeing if I can, learn Bitcoin and,
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin. Try this one.
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin. Greek.
Bitcoin.
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 Ooh. Hey, listen, YouTube, don't. Hey, listen, this is. I know it sounds like it has a foul word in it, but trust me, it's not it's Bitcoin. So YouTube, don't, don't nail me with punishments and stuff. Because believe, this is language, hey, you know. This is how they speak it, you know. That's fine, you know. So, you know, yeah. Polish.
비트코인,
Bitcoin. Try this one. Oh. Not done. I kind of wanted to, see what that sounds like. Nope. Why are some not?
Bitcoin.
Join. See, that's it. Kind of some have the
Bitcoin.
join. So you know, hey, listen. If I fumble up and accidentally, listen, it's fine. They're not foul words. They're just this is how they say it. And you know, like I warned you in the beginning of the video, I'm not the best at pronouncing words in different languages, so it could sound like one thing is really a different thing, but, listen, I don't have the intent for cussing, so, don't, it's just how it sounds. Alright, what else do I want to do? Loud.
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin. Did I do this one? Maybe. Let's try this one.
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin. Okay, let's try this one. Nope. Say it now. If you need a definition, it's right there of Bitcoin. So, yeah, that was me trying my best at pronouncing Bitcoin in other languages. If you did like the video, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.